dream you should never ignore. Buying fish symbolizes abundance, opportunity, and the potential for personal growth. Fish are often seen as a symbol of wealth and prosperity, and dreaming about buying them might suggest that you're on the verge of a positive change in your life. This dream could indicate new beginnings, or the chance to seize opportunities that could lead to success. However, if the fish in your dream are unhealthy or dead, it might hint at missed chances or areas in your life that need attention.